Alrighty, folks. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be. My name is Bojan Petreski. Today's January 19, 2022. We'll be doing the 3D market commentary for today. The disclaimer is there for your use, your reading, and understanding that this is for educational and instructional purposes only. Let's go ahead and get started. So the 3D market commentary would look something like this in your inbox. We do call it a 3D market commentary because we do look at three dimensions of each of these markets that we're going to go through today. The first thing that we do look at is the market climate, which is also represented by our auto climate indicator down below. The buy and sell UFOs, which are those unmistakably named flying saucers, the UFOs, where the potential unfilled orders are, that are the upcoming turning points, entries, and exits. And then, of course, the market volatility, the statistical element of this market's movement, whether we should be adjusting risk or reward ratios based on how this market's moving. So we utilize these three dimensions to remain objective and realistic when trading, investing, and hedging. All right, the first one that we're going to look at today is the S&P 500, which is currently in a confirmed down climate, the third one out of typically 3 days. Sell UFOs are at 46.7175. That's a recently created one based off of yesterday's movement. 44.7975 to 44.3625 is the one down below. Essentially speaking, below these lows here that we see, so it's a very interesting UFO there. According to the VIX, we're looking at 22.2% volatility, so definitely elevated volatility here. Just 1 second, please, so I can tell it on my phone, but there we go. If you're looking to, so that's that for the S&P right now. As I said, this is definitely an area of interest down below those lows. If you're looking to educate yourself, please look no further than here. We do offer futures, stocks, forex, backtesting, trading plans, and trading psychology courses. You can access those using this link here. It does come with a 3-month complimentary access to auto UFOs and auto climate, so I think that in itself is definitely worth the money. Going into the next one, which is crude oil. So crude, as you see, we spoke about it yesterday when we were doing the market commentary. While it did go, the highest it has been in a while, 85.98, right, which is up here. The previous high was 85.41. It did go higher, however, it did not close there. Right now, we did open higher. Looks like we opened at 85.89. However, we are currently, trading is, it's a red candle as you see it today. It is pushing lower and lower. If we see a close above these highs, then that's definitely, a continuation of what's been going on for the past, 20 days or so. If we don't see a continue, we may see a pullback either into this UFO or a little bit lower here. So around this 82.94 to 81.39, or perhaps lower down to this 80.47 to 77.83. Based on the OVX, 44% volatility. I'm sorry, 42% volatility. Now, if you need just the Auto UFOs app or the Auto Climate app or both, we do have them available for TradingView, TradeStation, and MetaTrader. And of course, you can subscribe to any of the apps using this link here. It does come with a monthly or yearly membership. Current market climate is down. It is confirmed. It's the first one out of typically, 7 on gold. Sorry, I forgot that I didn't switch the chart here. It is an unconfirmed climate actually on gold as of right now. This should say no. Maybe it did get unconfirmed as of right now because we had this, pretty substantial pop in gold, 1873 3 to 1844.2 is the sell UFO up above. 1802 to 1652.8. That's actually a typo. It's 1802 down to basically 1753 if you want to take both of these together, which I believe that's what the intent was when this was sent. 50.09% volatility on the for the day. As we see, gold is again between this range. It's looking like it wants to hold the lows here, right? It's looking like it wants to keep making these higher lows. However, the highs are not being taken out as of right now. So we'll see if this pop today kind of brings a little bit of a different scenario to us. Right now, if you need coaching or support, we do have all asset advanced coaching available. Apart from what we do daily on the daily, live trading sessions, you could set up a one-on-one sessions with any one of our clients, any one of our instructors, and it may help you avoid bad habits that you may not even know you have. So check it out and let us know what you think. All right, now the dollar is next. All right, so the dollar is in an unconfirmed up climate. Right now, it is looking like it's between these two UFOs. A brand new one has just been created here after a brief touch on this one down below. All right. If we're looking at the dollar, as we've said, there's been several times where it just touches and goes our daily UFOs, which is really interesting to see. There was one here before when we were doing our analysis. And then, of course, it pulled back from this UFO here, touched it and went. So that's what we have right now for the dollar. It is an unconfirmed climate, so still kind of sitting on hands, 6.06% daily volatility. Now, if you don't want to read this overview, we do have it available, on YouTube. We broadcast it daily. My colleague Becky and I go through these Monday through Friday, every time the market's open, every day the market's open. This will take you to our YouTube channel. I'd appreciate if you can like and subscribe to the channel so that way we can spread the word out much easier. All right, last but not least is Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is currently still in a confirmed down climate on the daily. There is a sell UFO that it's currently in right now, 42,202 to 43,315. A buy UFO is well down below at 32,820 to 31,615. Even BVIN says it's at 65.32%, so $1,700, which is relatively low for Bitcoin. Okay, I know it may seem like a lot, but it is relatively low for Bitcoin. All right. Now looking at if you do want to become a top trader, which is the Tradictive Options Planner, it's our very own platform. We do have it available for you using this link here. Top is a broker agnostic platform. You can plug in multiple brokers or different brokers to trade different instruments. All right. Last but definitely not least is news for the week. And let me just double check something here. I think I may have noticed a typo here as well. Just 1 second. I just want to double check. Something here. Okay, so for the economic calendar for this week, it looks like this is basically from last week. So we do have on the Aussie, we have employment change and unemployment rates. For China, we have interest rate decision on Thursday. And as far as Wednesday, we just have, today, we just have the Bank of England's governor speech. And then looking down the list here, Bank of Japan monetary policy meeting minutes. And then on Friday, we have President Lagarde's speech for the ECB and retail sales in Canada. All right, folks, thank you very much for joining me today. I hope to see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.